In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make all your public posts private on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app, and once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile. After that, tap right here at these three dots and then select activity log. That's where at the very top left corner you will find public post. If you come to right here, it will show you all of your public post at one place. Here, as you can see, I have just a couple of posts, and then we can select one or several posts one by check marking them, or we can hit right here where it says all to select all the posts at once. Once all the posts you would like to make a private are selected, then just stop right here at these three dots. Tap at change audience. Tap at this button again, and that's where in order to make all the selected post private, we need just to select only me and then hit change. After that, all the posts you've selected will become private. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.